Today let's make an easy, juicy, delicious sweet. This is called Malabar Pal Cake, a sweet recipe from Kerala. Hi, this is Ambika Chetty and I welcome you to this new episode in the series of Easy Indian Sweets. To prepare the sugar syrup, first we take half cup of sugar in a pan and we add 1 cup of water to it. We are going to boil it on medium flame until the sugar melts completely. We are not looking for any single thread consistency over here, but we need to boil the sugar syrup on medium flame for about 3 to 4 minutes even after sugar is melted completely, so that we get a sticky sugar syrup. We'll keep it aside and then in a mixing bowl we'll take 1 egg. You can make this recipe without egg also, just you can skip egg and retain all other ingredients. To egg we have added 2 tablespoons of sugar and 1/4 teaspoon of salt. We are going to whisk it well or beat the egg, and then again to this we'll add 2 tablespoons of ghee. In place of ghee you can also add oil. Adding ghee will make the dough very soft. We are going to whisk it again. Also egg makes the pal cake very spongy. Now we have added 1.5 cups of wheat flour and 1/4 cup of milk powder and a pinch of cooking soda. You can skip cooking soda if you do not want to add soda. We are going to mix it again. We are not going to add water, and we need to prepare the dough. To prepare the dough we are going to use milk. And we might not need too much of milk here because we have already added egg and ghee. So we might need about 1/4 cup of milk or about 2 to 3 tablespoons of milk. We are going to add milk little at a time and we'll continuously mix the flours, and we'll prepare a soft dough. Initially the dough might get very sticky because we are using milk and we have also added egg, but as you continuously knead it, it will become a soft and smooth textured dough. We need to add little apply little oil over the rolling board, and then we're going to roll this prepared dough. So I'm preparing it in less quantity, so I have taken the entire portion of the dough and we need to roll it with very light pressure, and we are going to roll it into a slightly thick sheet. We are not going to make it very thick because once you add it to the oil for deep frying, it will increase in size, volume. So once you roll it into a semi-thick sheet, we are going to cut it into pieces. I am going to cut it into rectangular pieces like this. I have removed the edges. You can also make it into square cubes like we do for shakkar pare. So this is how it looks. Now we are going to deep fry it in hot oil. Oil should be very hot before you drop all the cakes into the oil, and we need to deep fry it on medium flame until it becomes golden brown in color. Once all the cake pieces are fried well, we are going to remove it from the oil and will immediately put it into the sugar syrup that we have already prepared. It's good if the sugar syrup is still warm. If it is very cold, we can slightly heat it on low flame for about half a minute, and then we can dip all the fried cakes in it. We need to soak it in sugar syrup for at least 2 to 3 hours so that it becomes very juicy and soft. These cakes are now soaked well in sugar syrup. Now I'll break open one cake and will show you how juicy it is. It's a very delicious and it can be done very easily. And if you want to make an eggless version of this pal cake, you can simply skip adding egg. Rest all ingredients will remain same. So do give it a try. It's an easy recipe. We can garnish this pal cake with finely chopped dry nuts. I'm going to garnish it with little sugar syrup and finely chopped pistachio. I hope you have liked today's recipe, Malabar Pal Cake. I'll be back with yet another interesting recipe. Until then, take care. Bye-bye.